Hey everybody, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way to Walmart to do some shopping and to get a grocery haul. So let's go. We're just getting our masks on and using our hand sanitizer to get ready to go into Walmart. Woohoo! So we're walking around and I'm looking for shirts for our family vacation. And our family, I think, is going to do navy blue if I can't find another color. Check the eggs. It's good?
I still like the sound of the box.
Because of the styrofoam. Now, did you see that there were some cinnamon rolls over there? Do you want to take a look?
Yeah, maybe.
So I'm so glad to be in this store to look at all the different kinds of tuna. Somebody had suggested that there was a Walmart version of my favorite, like kind of bougie. Oh, I think I see it. All right, I'm gonna try this one this time around. Woo-wee, we got everything in the house. Where we live in Las Vegas, it is about 100, it's supposed to be like 111 in these next couple of days. So it's probably like 106 right now. With masks, hot. So remember when we thought maybe like the summer would help, like kill the virus? No, it's not doing that. Okay, guys, so here we go. Now I did buy some things for an upcoming vacation, and let me show you what I got. So we're making some shirts like that kind of will say something fun on it. It's just been fun. We've done that lately. So each family is picking a color or a style of shirt, and so I ended up just getting like navy blue ones. So this one is at Jonas's, and I think got everybody. The boys, like Kobe and Paul, theirs has a little pocket on there. So I'm wondering if maybe we could just do the emblem of our fun little saying on the pocket. So I'm just thinking, but also I thought we would do some crafts up there with the kids. So let me know in the comments if you remember friendship bracelets, you guys. This one was only like 10 bucks, and look at all of these colors. So awesome. So and I also got some safety pins, because when I was a kid, I remember doing them like right on the knee of my pants, or maybe like hooking it into the couch and just keep making them. How fun will that be for the kids? It's almost going to be like camp for the families. We're kind of throwing some ideas around and playing games and things like that. So it might be like camp time. It'll be fun. So let's get started on some of the things I picked for the upcoming week and to next week for our grocery haul. I felt like this haul was a lot of snacks because my freezer still has a lot of meat products in it. Just been holding on to them, which I'm so grateful for that I was able to do that every week. And I have a good little supply now. So at least in my top shelf of my freezer, we've got plenty of meal options. I picked up this frame, you guys. Recently I went to IKEA to find some frames, and probably paid a little bit more than I wanted, but cheaper than Target. I should have went to a different Walmart because this one was pretty inexpensive. I am working on a gallery wall. So I know I showed you briefly, my bathroom has a corner gallery wall. I recently bought a couple of pictures, art pictures, and had them printed out. So we have that now. I need to kind of put it together, and I just needed something about this size, just like this. So we'll see how it works out. I picked up a couple of cosmic brownies. The boys really like those. I picked up some multivitamins just for the kids. So I'm just going to leave those on the counter so that they can pick them up, and maybe even just for myself to pick, just to kind of chew on a few. I've just kind of been feeling like I need just a little bit more extra vitamin, right? You get like that, you guys, where let me know some of your favorite vitamins. Do you like the gummy ones? I kind of go back and forth. Sometimes I like them better than not, but I think I'm looking for more of probiotics. So let me know some of your suggestions. All right, I picked up just some more sunblock. This one was a little bit more on the pricier side, but it is like more hypoallergenic in the sense that it's light. We have friends in our group that love Neutrogena, so if they want to borrow it, that's kind of why I got it too. And I got Ezra some Roaring Waters. He loves these things, and I don't get them very often, but since he was with me, he was doing a pretty good job at that point. I just let him pick a drink for him and his brother so they can have one a day. All right, let's keep going. So I bought a couple of these sodas. Really, Ezra wanted the Fanta pineapple, and then I picked up the Fanta strawberry. So let me tell you how he is drinking these lately. Because we have our ice machine, let me show you, right over there. He puts ice in a cup, puts the soda in, and then we add a little bit of like that yummy coffee creamer, any flavor like a vanilla. Ours is like sweet cream, and he really likes it. He says it's almost, I think it almost looks like a little bit like a Dole Whip of sorts. It just looks so good. I've never had it because, you know, I don't drink my calories. I eat them. So these are mostly for the boys when they want to mix up their own little special drink. I picked up macaroni salad. This was kind of calling my name, a little one. I am the only one in my family that will eat this. My boys are pretty picky. So, and you know what? Fun fact, I didn't even like macaroni salad until I was pregnant, I think with my third kid, so with Jonas. And then I kind of started liking it a little bit more. Same thing with barbecue chips. Funny what pregnancy does to us, huh? Okay, so I picked up, we thought these would be fun for one evening, some waffle fries just like Chick-fil-A. And of course I had to pick up some of the regular tater tots. They have a really good flavor, so if you're curious, if you want to do a Rita or like maybe your local store brand, might I suggest Walmart. And then I picked up a bougie tuna, but I also, like I said earlier, that I was going to try the Walmart tuna. This one was $1.90, I think, but it's like that. It says it's certified, so it's kind of sitting next to it. So it's the comparable, I think. So we'll try it, and I'll try it, and then I'll report back. Okay, picked up some things for Paul. He loves having some smaller beef jerky. They can be a little pricey, but these I think were like $6 for 5 packs. And he just takes them with him to work. Picked up a couple of Kind Bar boxes. I think these were on sale for $2.50 each. And they're gluten-free for Paul. And then I picked up another thing for Ezra. He loves these go-go squeezes. So these apple sauces, they are really quite the lifesaver when you have a picky kid. So he can have that anytime he wants. I just limit them one a day. So as you can see, when I ran out, I have my crock pot out. I ran out to the back freezer and realized I needed to get going on some dinner. So it's about 11:30 or so. So that way this chicken will be fully cooked, because I'm going to make green enchiladas and casseroles again. And so for that, I definitely needed to pick up some cheddar and some Monterey Jack cheese. I do like to make one with corn tortillas as an 8x8. And then I make another one with flour tortillas, which is super good. But I also picked up some, this one I liked because it said creamy melt. I don't usually pick grated cheeses because I don't think it melts well. I mean, let me know what you think about that. But I'm gonna try this one and see. These are gonna be for some meatball sandwiches in the next few days. Okay, I picked up some Waverly chalk paint, and I just really love this color. I think it's because I wanted to try painting some frames. It's pretty small, right, you guys? So this size would do probably a lot of frames and maybe like a shelf, a smaller shelf if you had it. But I'm trying to find the much bigger ones, like the ones that are like 16 ounces, where this is only 2. Because I have a big project that I'm working on. I'm painting like it's like a computer desk / bookshelf. It's a wall unit, but I want to paint the whole thing, and I just don't have enough white Waverly paint. So I may need to go to like Lowe's or Home Depot. If you get your chalk paint there, let me know what your favorite brand is, because I bet there's some different ones. And how much is it? Is it a little expensive, or because I used to get Annie Sloan and that was expensive. So anyways, this will be fun to do some little projects with. I picked up some Prego because I thought for the boys with our meatball sandwiches, and with the boys they'll probably want some spaghetti this week, but they didn't have them in the jars. They only had them in this double size, which then I would have to put a lot of this into the refrigerator, and I'm like, when it gets into the refrigerator, I just kind of forget it's in there. So hopefully I can plan this out right and be able to use that all up. Okay, I picked up Paul some of these trail mix. It does have little bits of chocolate, and how funny that it's a keto approved. It's just that time, right? Everybody's on the keto train. I haven't done that. Paul has said once that we do the taquito train. As it shows. Hi, I got some chocolate cupcakes because, you know, we like those. And I let the boys pick out some lunch stuff. So Jonas wanted to pick out some corn dogs, and Ezra wanted to have some pizza bagels, some plain cheese ones. So we're going to get those in the freezer, and we'll let you know if you like these ones, if you see me buy them again. All right, time for some breakfast. I picked up some more Honey Nut Cheerios. This is also a family favorite. And just some milk, because we still have a little bit left, so I didn't want to get a gallon. And then I told Jonas that if he got these, we could put them in the waffle maker. So the Cinnabon, yum, that looks so good, and it will make, I bet, some yummy waffles. I just picked up some more eggs because I love having a couple of eggs for breakfast. And you guys, I found them. I got 2 packs of these family size pork sausages. These ones are so good. They are truly the perfect size for an English muffin. You can throw some egg on that. Plus, they're just good to eat if you want as a quick snack. Just cook up a bunch, keep them in the fridge. You can have that with a hard-boiled egg. So good, you guys. And yay, I found 2. I picked up a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Great way to have a great addition to some dinners. And my family just loves potatoes. I bought, you guys, have you ever had these lemon flavored splashes? I don't see them year round, but they are so good. So whenever I see them, that was like $1, I think. Sometimes I've seen them for like 75 cents at Winco, but for $1, I love that. So I'm going to start picking up more and more as I see them if I'm in the stores. And you guys, this is the first time I've actually gone into Walmart with the mask on to do a haul since I've been sick. I mean, like over a month ago. So that was kind of strange. It wasn't my normal Walmart either, so I didn't know where everything was, and it was so big. We got a little tired, but that's okay. So you guys, let me know if you have like a go-to Walmart, or if you just like visiting different ones. Not a huge fan of visiting different ones. I like to know my layout, if you know what I mean. All right, so I picked up, Ezra loves wheat bread, so I got him some wheat bread, but I also picked up another Grandma Sycamore for those tuna sandwiches. So excited. And with those tuna sandwiches, I'm a fan of just regular Doritos, and the boys like to eat these as well, so I will put these sometimes even in my sandwich, but definitely eat it with my sandwich. I've just picked up another bag of onion rings just to keep it in the freezer for when we do hamburger, cheeseburger nights. I picked up just some more butter. We're starting to run a little low. And some, these are like German chocolate Oreos. Ezra specifically asked for these ones as we were in the cookie section. So I'm like, you go ahead and get those ones because I know he likes them. Plus, as we were getting ready to go to the checkout, we went by the deli really quick, and Jonas wanted this. These are hot and spicy fried chicken. And I told him he's probably going to be the only one eating them, so he could have them over the next couple of days for his lunch or even dinner. So if we kind of do more relaxed dinner, he can just go ahead and have these as well. But you guys, that was everything. And I spent about $200, but you could see that some of that was not all food. And I am getting already super excited for our family vacation at the end of the month. So let's see. I feel like I did get a lot of snacks and treats, but like I said, I already have like some meat products in the back freezer. So we're good on meat for a while. So I can add a lot of these to the meals. And then just like kind of stuff for lunches and snacks. So it's still summer, you guys. So thanks so much for coming with me and the boys to our not our local Walmart, but our close by Walmart, and going shopping for, treats, snacks, meals, everything. So have a wonderful day, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't clicked subscribe, what are you waiting for? So thanks again. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.